What's the number one reason that is holding you back from having the lifestyle, the freedom you so much want? Go on, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think is one thing that is holding you back from having the lifestyle you always dream of. For me, I realized that one thing that was holding me back from the lifestyle I want, it was me. Yes, it was me, only me, that was holding me back from achieving my true potential. It was me who was holding me back from achieving the freedom, the financial freedom, the lifestyle I always wanted. So once I realized that I was the one holding me back from achieving my full potential, I was the one holding me back from achieving more freedom, from making more money, from saving more money, and from investing more money, I decided to take control of my mindset. But to take control of your mindset, you have to accept that you need help. You need to accept that there is something going on. But most people don't want to admit that they need help, that there is something going on, and that's why they are not progressing. That's why they are not finding the ideal partner. That's why they're not making more money. So only when that you recognize that you need help, that you need to change your mindset, that your life will start to improve. If you want to know more about how to take control of your financial life, how to make more, how to save more, to invest, make sure you follow me on Instagram, on YouTube, and on my social media channels to learn more about how to make more money, how to manage it wisely like a multi-millionaire, and also how to multiply it. Because you deserve to be financially free. You deserve it, and it's yours to claim. See you soon.